Blizzard conditions have arrived in the Northern Valley. You're looking at the UND Skycam in Grand Forks. On the inset there is the Minnesota Department of Transportation sign in Crookston along Highway 2. This is just before 5 a.m. in Grand Forks. The temperature is at 12 degrees. Wind speeds 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 54 miles per hour. So, if you're thinking about going anywhere, here's why you shouldn't. Here's a look at the open roads on Highway 2 out by Crookston. Now, at times it was already whiteout conditions. I had to crawl along at about 5 miles an hour in one place here to see the turnaround by the Highway 75 bypass. And this is a bit sheltered here. If you get out in open areas, you're going to find pure whiteout conditions. Very dangerous travel today. Stay put. Give you another look down the highway here as we go and look out, just to zoom in a little bit, but terrible driving conditions already at 5 a.m. on this Wednesday morning. Blizzard warning across the region, east and west of the valley, until 9 p.m. on this Wednesday. Your best bet today, don't try to travel outside of any cities. Very dangerous driving conditions. Stay put. Covering the Northern Valley, I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNewZ.TV.